Hello YouTubers and chocolate lovers. Today I'm going to show you how to do a nice laser engraving on a piece of chocolate. We already unpacked it, put it on worktop of our DIY engraving machine. We launch a software key called A-Can. We wrote a word, love you and miss you. Okay, we are going to set up proper parameters. We're going to use 75 laser intensity and 1 millisecond for laser burning. Okay, let me show you how does it work. We go to beginning and we'll launch. We take the shortest path, so we use the shortest route for laser engraving. The parameters are pretty much simple, and we're going to do nice laser engraving on chocolate. It smells really nice, like a melted sugar, so it's nice to smell. I think this could be interesting for cafe owners, restaurant owners, and if you do small bakery at home for friends, and even for fun. So we use DIY machine with 3.5 watt laser, endurance production. I don't know if anyone did this before. You can also use wooden cubes and then press on a chocolate and get a result. But laser engraving is also nice on a piece of chocolate. So let's go back to our engraving process. Pretty hard to focus and to get a proper focus. I want to see what it will give us. I really like this idea. It's done. Okay, let's remove it. Oh my god, I want to eat it right now. Okay, let's see the result. Love you and miss you. And it's really nice. So probably you can do it without filling inside, so it could be a little bit better, but it looks nice and it tastes also nice. Hope that you like this video. Please share it with your friends and try to do this experiment with us. Thank you. Bye bye.